Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, and before ko i-review tong machine, I'll just walk you through their capsules first. So, this machine, it retails for 2,999. May kasama na siyang frother and may kasama siyang discovery kit. Yung discovery kit nila has 4 capsules, which is yung 4 flavors nila ng capsules. The first one, this one, it's the orange one, the Sedosa capsule. It's used to make lattes. Tapos, the mocha, Xoco capsule, it's used to make mocha. And then they also have this purple one. It's used to make Americano. And then, lastly, is this silver grayish one na gamit naman siya pang cappuccino. Pero ako kasi, sometimes, hindi dahil pang-Americano lang siya, hindi dahil pang-cappuccino lang siya. Minsan, nasa preference na rin kung ano talagang gusto mong intensity for the day. Kunwari, ngayon, gusto ko yung very light lang. I use the Sedosa one. And then, kung gusto ko naman na medyo Xoco, yun yung mocha. And then, if gusto ko na medyo matapang, but not so much, yung Americano yung gagamitin ko. Pero lately, I've been loving this one, the cappuccino, kasi sobrang flavorful niya and very tasty talaga yung coffee niya. So, yun yung lagi kong gamit ngayon. Pero dati, nung first time ko makuha tong coffee machine na to, ang gamit ko lagi is the latte, which is the Sedosa one. Lagi nauubos yun. And pinaka-list ko na favorite is the mocha. Ewan ko, parang may something na may rusty na texture siya. Pero lately, ginamit ko siya mga 2 days ago lang. Naglagay lang ako ng, instead of milk, I used chocolate drink and super sarap niya. So, kung gusto niyo pala ng mga recipes, meron ako sa TikTok ko. Meron din sila sa TikTok nila. So, yun. Pwede ito, especially if beginner ka, kasi sobrang mura lang nila. Makukuha mo tong 4 boxes na to, 259 pesos each. So, nasa Shopee nila ako ngayon. And tinitingnan ko, sold out na yung machine, pero alam ko may pre-order sila. Lagi silang may restock. So, yung machine nila naman, meron yun iba-ibang colors. They have white, orange, they have red, and this black. Pinaka-latest yung white and everyone's like hyping about it. And, yun. So, let's proceed with the machine. Itong machine na to, gamit ko siya almost every day. As in, before, I don't even drink coffee. Ngayon, ewan ko bakit parang when I wake up in the morning, I really have to drink my coffee na. And sobrang dali din kasi yung gamitin. So, it has this water tank na i-attach mo lang sa likod. Tapos, make sure to push it a little bit para lumabas na maayos yung water. And then, you'll open it here lang. And then, you'll insert the capsule. And you close it again. Tapos, pipili ka lang ng intensity mo. Is that what you call it? Parang, pipili ka lang ng shots. Meron tong 3 button. It has the ristretto, the espresso, and the lungo. And then, yun na. After mong gamitin yung isang capsule, you just open it. Automatic na magda-drop yung kanilang So, gusto ko lang din i-share na bumili ako ng what's this? Adapter. Kasi ganyan yung nung dulo ng kanilang machine. So, kailangan niya ng adapter. So, before ka bumili nito, make sure na may adapter. Okay, so you might be asking how was my experience na siguro with my V-Coffee Cold Freshman Capsule Coffee Machine for 3 months na. And ang masasabi ko lang is very worth it niya. And sobrang dali din yung gamitin. Especially dahil first time ko magkaroon ng any type of coffee machine. And very affordable. Tapos, yung capsules, you can use any Nespresso compatible capsules. Unlike yung ibang machines dyan na nabibili na like, hindi ka na makakabili ng capsules from other brands. Ito pwede. Pero I also recommend their capsules kasi okay din naman sila. Ito, saktong-sakto lang sila. And may 4 ka pa rin naman na flavors na pwedeng i-try if ever. And I suggest na you get the discovery kit first para alam nyo kung ano yung magiging favorite nyo. Maganda siyang investment if coffee enthusiast ka. And nakikita ko yung mga celebrities, mga influencers na meron silang ganitong machine. So, I don't know if that's given to them or binili nila. Pero kasi sobrang maganda tong alternative to the very expensive Nespresso. Kasi sobrang expensive na Nespresso eh. same lang naman sila na setting and pwede din naman yung capsules ng Nespresso dito. So, diba, very maganda talaga siya and wala akong masabi because 3 months ko na siyang gamit and wala akong problem. This one na ito lang and then you just put it here and then you add your milk and your sweetener and that's it na, diba? So, my final thoughts, guys, you buy it and if pinag-iisipan nyo pa, wag nyo nang pag-isipan because you don't have to rationalize everything. Ito talaga yung best coffee machine out there ngayon. And sobrang affordable niya and sobrang worth it niya. So, again, this video is not sponsored by B Coffee. Gusto ko lang talagang i-share yung experience ko and yung review ko for the past 3 months na ginagamit ko siya. And as for the capsules, I also recommend it. You were thinking of getting a coffee machine, just get this one kasi it's really worth the price and it's really worth it. If may machine ka na and you want to know more about it or you have questions, concerns, mag-comment ka lang dyan. I'll try to answer. That's it for this video and I hope na nagkaroon kayo ng idea kung paano tong machine ito, kung worth it ba, especially if pinag-iisipan nyo na. And I hope this video helped you to finally decide on the machine and on which machine you get. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!